So let's see generation of eigenfunctions of Lz and L square. So the generation of eigenfunctions can be followed by the following theorem. So this topic generation of eigenfunctions follows from this theorem. So if psi m is an eigenfunction of Lz with eigenvalues equal to mh cut, then the eigenfunction Lx plus or minus ILY whole power nu xi m is also an eigenfunction of Lz with eigenvalue m plus or minus nu, where nu is a non-negative integer. The proof of the theorem is as follows. So what it is said here is, if xi m is an eigenfunction of Lz, so let us suppose xi m is an eigenfunction of Lz. So what is the condition for xi m to be the eigenfunction of Lz? So Lz into xi m must be is equals to some eigenvalue into xi m. So if the Lz operator acts on this eigenfunction, it must give us the same eigenfunction multiplied by its eigenvalue. So if xi m is eigenfunction of Lz with eigenvalues equal to, so eigenvalues is nothing but mh cut, then the function Lx plus or minus ILy whole power nu xi m. This the meaning of this is um, Lx plus or minus ILy operator, that is L plus or L minus operators operating on this xi m wave function for nu times, that is L plus or minus is there here. So Lx plus or minus ILy nu power nu xi m. The meaning of this is L plus or minus power nu xi m. So L plus or L minus operators operating on xi m repeatedly. L plus xi m, again L plus into L plus xi m. So 2 times, 3 times, 4 times like this. If we keep on operating for new times, is also an eigenfunction of Lz with eigenvalue m plus or minus nu. So this is also an eigenfunction of Lz. So not only xi m, in addition to xi m, Lx plus or minus ILy power nu xi m, it is also an eigenfunction of Lz. So this is, here we are generating many eigenfunctions for Lz. So not only xi m, from this xi m we are generating many other wave functions from this single xi m by applying this L plus or L minus operators repeatedly. Is also an eigenfunction with eigenvalue m plus or minus nu. So then also it is considered as a eigenfunction of Lz. That is because of, for a single L value, so azimuthal quantum number, L is nothing but azimuthal quantum number. If azimuthal quantum number is 0, we have m is equals to 0. It is 2L plus 1 values. 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. In the same way, if L is equals to 1, then we would have 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 12 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3, that is minus 1, 0, 1 m values. If we are in the same manner, if L is equals to 2, we would have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 as m values. So for a single L value, we might have different m values based on the value of L. So because of that only, not only this xi m, we would have this also Lx plus or minus ILy power nu xi m as also the these generation of eigenfunctions, also the eigenfunction of Lz operator with eigen, and here eigenvalue of xi m wave function. Xi m is a wave function and the eigenvalue is nothing but mh cut. And if Lx plus or minus ILy power nu xi m is the wave function, then m plus or minus nu would be the, depending on how many times we are applying this eigenvalue. This h cut, here m plus or minus nu h cut, when nu is the non-negative integer. So nu is non-negative integer, that means it is positive. 1, 2, 3 like that. The proof of the theorem is as follows. So Let's see the, so that is the theorem, and let's see the proof of this theorem. So for now, first of all, what we have to consider is Lz multiplied by this L plus or L minus, that is Lz into Lx plus or minus ILy. This is nothing but L plus or minus. We know, as we know that L plus is nothing but Lx plus ILy, and L minus is nothing but Lx minus ILy. So based on this, Lz multiplied by this Lx plus or minus ILy, what we would get is Lz into Lx. So Lz into Lx plus or minus I into Lz into Ly. So Lz into I into Lz into Ly. So here this is getting, Lz operator is getting multiplied from the left hand side. So we should get, so actually in quantum mechanics, AB operator, if A and B are operators, AB is not equal to BA. So that has to be considered. So Lz into Lx, so order of the operators determines, because just like matrices we have AB is not equals to BA matrix forms. So like that, in the same way, because of that, like that reasons, um, um, Lz into Lx cannot be equal to Lx comma, that is, so Lz into Lx cannot be equal to Lx into Lz, like that. So AB is not equal to BA. So if it is operating, getting operated from left hand side, so it should remain in left hand side only. So Lx plus or minus ILy. So Lz Lx plus or minus I into Lz Ly. So this is the thing. And we know that Lz Lx minus Lx Lz is equal to IH cut Ly. That is from the commutation relation Lx comma, sorry, Lz or okay, Lx comma Ly is nothing but IH cut Lz. So commutation formula also, we know that AB, combination of AB is nothing but AB minus BA. So applying the same here. So if we have Lx comma Ly, we would have IH cut Lz. So X and Y. So remaining thing is Lz. And here we are AB minus BA. So Lx into Ly minus Ly into Lx. So we would have two angular momentum dimensions, that is angular momentum dimensions of angular momentum squared overall, if you see. So h cut has the dimensions of angular momentum and Lz has the dimensions of angular momentum, so it tallies like that. So this is the basic formula. In the same manner, just like this, we would have Ly comma Lz is equals to IH cut Lx. So here we are having in the same manner based on the commutator relations. So we would have commutation of Ly comma Lz is nothing but IH cut Lx. So commutation of Ly comma Lz is nothing but Ly Lz minus Lz comma Ly is equals to IH cut Lx. In the same manner, commutation of Lz comma Lx is equals to IH cut Ly. That is Lz into Lx minus Lx into Lz is equals to IH cut Ly, like that. So substituting in equation 1 we have. So now what we have to do is we have to substitute this values in this equation on the right hand side of this equation. So on the right hand side, what we are having is Lz into Lx. So here also we are having, so here also we are having actually Lz into Lx. So Lz into Lx can be written as IH cut Ly plus, if we send this to the side, Lx Lz. So IH cut Ly, IH cut Ly plus Lx Lz. In the same manner, here we are having ILZ Ly. So here we are having Lz Ly. So what we have to do is send this term this side and send this Lz Ly to that side. So what we would have, so if you send this to this side, Lz Ly, and here Ly Lz minus IH cut Lx. So Ly Lz minus IH cut Lx. So from this equation we substitute. So if we substitute in equation 1, we would have the following thing. So this is the equation 1. If we substitute, we will get the following thing. Now we need to simplify this. So here if we see, if we simplify. So I h cut ly would remain as usual, lx lz would remain as usual. So here plus or minus I is there. So if we multiply it, if we take it inside the bracket, so plus or minus I you would have. So plus into plus would be plus, or minus into plus would be minus. So plus into plus, plus, minus into plus, minus. So you would have this. And actually here it is Ly Lz. So here also it is Ly Lz. So it is just a mistake. So here we would have Ly Lz like that. So it's a mistake. And if we take it to this side, inside, so plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So hence you would have plus or minus I into I square is nothing. So actually plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So minus plus it has to be. But I into I is nothing but I square. I square is nothing but minus 1. So again multiplying with minus, you would have plus minus. So plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Because of I square we would have another minus. So finally we would have this. Now we have to take aside some common terms. So here if we see plus or minus h cut lx. So if we take out plus or minus h cut, so lx here we are having, and in the same manner here also nothing here, actual plus or minus not there. So I h cut ly. So plus into plus, plus, minus into minus is also a plus. So actually what we are having here, I h cut ly. So just like if there is a plus, suppose plus or minus is nothing but both could be present. So if we suppose that, because we are having L plus as well as N minus also. So we are having minus 1 and plus 1 also, minus 2 minus plus 2 also. So negative values or positive values also like that. So here plus or minus h cut lx is there. So if we suppose plus is there, so plus h cut, if you take common, lx plus ILY, lx plus ILY. If there is minus, suppose there is minus here, so then we would have to take minus h cut as common. Minus h cut into lx, here nothing is there, plus is there. So minus ILY. Again minus into minus plus you will get. So like that simplification. And here if we see, if we take LZ aside, so from the right hand side, here also it is present on right hand side, here also right hand side. If we take it aside from the right hand side, you would have Lx plus or minus ILY into LZ. So like this. And overall here if we see Lx plus or minus ILY, Lx plus or minus ILY, that is common. So if we take it aside, so you would have Lz plus or minus h cut. Lz plus or minus h cut. So Lx plus or minus ILY if we take common, so Lz plus or minus h cut. So this is the simplification. So Lz into Lx plus or minus ILY can be written as Lx plus or minus ILY into Lz plus or minus h cut. This term could be written as this. So if we consider wave function also, so this one multiplied with wave function and this equation multiplied with the same wave function, like that you will be having. So as this is equal to this, and Lz into xi m is equals to mh cut xi m. So this is nothing but eigenvalue equation. So if Lz operator acts on xi m wave function, then we will get the same wave function multiplied by its eigenvalue mh cut. So that one we need to substitute in this equation. So Lz, this term would remain as usual left hand side, and on the right hand side if you see Lz into xi m is there, that is nothing but mh cut, mh cut. And here already another h cut is there. So here mh cut, here h cut. If we would take h cut common, you would have m plus or minus 1, m plus or minus 1 h cut, Lx plus or minus ILY into xi m. So this is the final equation. So finally we have proved from this conclusion. So eigenvalue of this operator is m plus or minus 1 h cut. So this is operating only for one time. So yeah, Lx, sorry, actually here this is the eigen function. seems like here just like Lz into xi m gives us xi m with its eigenvalue. Here Lz into this eigenfunction Lx plus or minus Ily into xi m gives us the same eigenfunction multiplied with its eigenvalue. So here we are having eigenfunction as xi m. Here Lx plus or minus Ily xi m, Lx plus or minus Ily into xi m. So if this operator operates on this eigenfunction, we would get the same eigenfunction multiplied with its eigenvalue, that is m plus or minus 1 h cut. As said here, m plus or minus mu h cut. So here we are operating only for one time. So 1 mu is nothing but 1. So m plus or minus 1 h cut. So finally we have proved this. So if xi m is an eigenfunction of Lz with eigenvalue m h cut, then Lx plus or minus Ily xi m or eigenfunction of functions of Lz with eigenvalues m plus or minus 1 h cut. So that is the conclusion drawn from this equation. Repetition of this argument prove this equation theorem. So if we repeatedly apply, we would get here m. If we once again if we apply this operator, then we would have m plus or minus 2, and again if we apply m plus or minus 3, like that. So repetition of this argument prove this theorem. Repeated application of the operator Lx plus or minus Ily will enable us to generate eigenfunctions of a fixed L square belonging to infinitely large values of Lz. So if we repeatedly apply repeated application of operator, so if we keep on applying this operator on this eigenfunction, so we would have m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, like that. Eigenvalues would be coming. So to generate eigenfunctions of it would generate eigenfunctions of a fixed L square. That means for a single value of L, we would have 2L plus 1 possible values of m's. Hence, for every m value, so this decides the list of m values. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, like that. It would decide the list of eigenvalues. So for a single value of L, we could have many 2L plus 1 possible values of m's. That is actually the eigenvalue of L square operator is L into L plus 1 h cut. So it's entirely dependent on L values, and Lz is entirely dependent on m values. So for a given L value, we could have 2L plus 1 possible m values. So because of this, we could generate many eigenfunctions for a given L square. So many eigenfunctions for each for a so if L value is 2, so for minus 2, one wave function, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, like that. So we could generate that many wave functions for a given L square. So that is the meaning of this. And to infinitely large values of Lz, unless there is some value of m for which Lx plus or minus Ily xi m vanishes. That means, so if we suppose they are saying this vanishes, so we start with 0, m value 0, and L value is 2. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, and 0 plus 3 is not possible for a given L value 2. Why means it for a given L value, m values ranges from minus L to plus L. That's it. So if L value is 2, we could not have m value L plus 1, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So it ranges, m values would only range from minus 2 to plus 2 only. It would not exceed that range. Hence, if we keep on applying, so 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, it would be going on increasing this m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3. So like that it would be going on increasing. So for a particular point of time, for a given L value is equals to 2, we could not have m value 3. Hence at that point wave function vanishes entirely. So that is the thing they are saying, unless there is some value of m for which Lx plus Ily xi m vanishes. Similarly, repeated application of Lx minus Ily will lead to the infinitely large negative values of m. So we could have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, like that, many negative values of m by the application of Lx minus Ily, unless Lx minus Ily xi m vanishes for some xi m. So for given L value is equals to 2, we could have only minus 1, minus 2, and beyond that minus 3 we could not have. So unless that Lx minus IL by Im vanishes. So it vanishes at which point? When we would get minus 3. Fit 0 to 0 minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So at that point it would vanish, because for a given L value is equals to 2 we could not have M value is equals to minus 3 or minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Could have only from minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, that is ranging from minus 2 to plus 2. So the wave function vanishes from for some psi m. So this is the generation of eigenfunctions Lz and L square concept. So thank you.